Video content creation is becoming the trend, because it retains human attention longer than images or writings do. As a beginner who is not so familiar with video editors, getting free video editing software for beginners might prove difficult. In this video, you will learn the best video editing software for beginners, its features. Also, you'll learn some extra tips that will make your video editing seamless. Hello everyone, welcome back to my brand new video. In this video creating about cool video editor. The Wondershare Filmora. The latest version powered with AI also. This video clip created with Filmora app. Including video footages. This video created with Filmora 13, so I get all video templates, music and all effects from this cool app. It's super easy to edit. We can use AI to generate videos and images unlimited. There is too many features. Let's find out now. Let's jump to main video. I already download the latest version of Filmora. You can download it free from below link. After installing we can see like this interface. We can create an account from here to log into Wondershare account. In dashboard we can see cool features more than editing our own video. This feature's powered with AI, therefore very easy to use. I will explain this features in this video. Before that, focus to main video topic. The video editor. I will open new project now. We can drag down our video file to start edit. Or we can find free video files from Filmora. Click stock media icon to find cool and free video files to your own video. I love to put my logo animation every video starts. If you are interested, animate your logo. You can animate your logo from templates. Type logo keyword in search bar. Then you can find proper logo animation to your video. When you find a one, download and drag down to timeline. We can replace logo and slogan from, click this change material option. Logo animation created, now time add some video footage to our main video. I will use Filmora stock videos for this video. When we're talking about stock videos from Filmora, they are category-wise stock videos to easy use. We can see awesome videos from here. By the way, they are free and you can publish them without taking copyrights. Green screen video also available here. We can see their stock video and pictures partners here, and search them easily from this section. Pexels, Pixabay, Giphy and Unsplash is very cool site to find free stock videos. However, I love to add this video to my timeline. Let's add some cool text effects to video. Just click title section. We can see titles also category wise, then we can easily find what text should I put my video. After select the text animation, drag down to timeline. We can change text and font style from here. They have huge storage about font styles. Transitions? We can easily add transitions to between two video clip. Them make to smooth video quality. Video effects. We can change video color and presets from effects. There is many effects available, so we can find perfect effects to video. Not required knowledge to preset. It's simple, if you like it, just drag into the video. We can find copyright-free music to our video background. And sound effect also. No need to find another website. Filmora give chance to us, find them from this cool app. And we can make changes from this section in sound file. We can change speed of video. Just right-click video file, then make to show video speed. Then you can slow down or speed up the video. The best part of the video. Powerful AI features. These features are awesome and you will love it. First, I am going to generate AI music for my video. We should select what kind of audio file going to generate. First select mood, you can adjust duration, how many results are need to. Select theme and genre. Then start generate. When you get premium you have unlimited credits for generate. If you lucky, you can get free premium. Be a best commenter in comment section. I will give 3 premium accounts. For free members. Motion track. This is one of cool AI feature. Select the video file and find AI tools section, then you can see motion track. First select the what object should track. Then track the object. After that we can link text or any object simply. AI text to video. You can add our text what about video and select voice, then you can transfer your text to video. However, you don't have enough data. You can generate with AI. It's easy, they ask topic and some details about the video. Click text to video, then it takes little bit time to generate voice and music. Video files it's take from their Filmora. Video created with subtitle also. If you like to change footage and music, you can edit from this editing area. Instant mode is another easy method to edit video. It's have cool templates. Select the one and add your own footage. Then simply edit your text and export. Avatar presentation. We can choose avatar and background. It's easy to animate with our webcam. It's talking like us. You can add or remove voice also. AI image generator is my favorite feature in Filmora. We can generate unlimited with subscription. And we can select image style also. Share your AI image generator experience with me in comment section. To get free premium account of Filmora. I love to share video export experience also. We can export video high quality, and we can create video thumbnail while exporting video. It's a good feature. In my comments section, add your Filmora video editor experience to get free premium account. I have only 3 accounts. Be hurry, it will be your lucky day. Subscribe me to watch more videos and get offers like this. Thank you. See you again.